Hello friends, today I am going to tell you 5 such flowering plants which grow easily and have low maintenance. These are yellow buttercups or ramgod dashalong. They are very hardy plant and blooms with such a vibrant yellow color flowers. Their leaves have a kind of a glaze that enhance the yellow color. They are heat tolerant plant and can sustain in harsh sunlight too. Sunlight plays an important role in their flower blooming. For summer flowers, they are the best and can grow very easily and have low maintenance. They doesn't require any more fertilizer to be fed them, and they are best for suited for tropical region. This beautiful flower is lantana. They exist in varieties of shade, though this pink one and the red yellow one is the local and native variety of tropical regions. They are very easy growing plant and require no care at all. As you can see, this is not the single flower but actually the bunch of small flowers growing in a cluster. Placing them in a bright sunlight for at least 2 to 3 hours, they will have more blooms and flowers on their tips. Though they are very hardy plant, but they are prone to pest attack. So apply neem oil solution regularly at least once a week to protect your plant. This one is vinca plant. This one is the best plant ever I had. All around the year they blooms with this pink and white flowers, so they are called Sadabahar. Varieties of shades and hybrids are available in the market, though the pink and the white varieties are the desi varieties which makes them disease resistant and have high immunity power. They produces more flower if they are placed in a bright sunlight, but they do not like the harsh sunlight one. They are very fast growing plant and pruning is very essential at time to time to make them bushy and have more flowers on them. They are not very heavy feeders, which makes them easy to maintain and easy to care. This plant is known as creeping oxeye. They are mainly used for the ground covers. They are also very hardy plant and love sunlight for more blooming. In tropical region, especially in monsoon season, these creeper blooms with a beautiful yellow small flowers. These creepers are very fast growing and cover the ground very quickly. These small beautiful yellow flowers look very pretty when they are placed in the hanging baskets. Next flowering plant in my list is the belly flower, which is commonly known as mogra flower. These white flowers gives a beautiful fragrance which makes our mind cool and calm and gives a smoothing effect. They grows very well in the rainy season, especially the monsoon season, as they are native to the tropical regions. These white vibrant flowers is contrasting with the dark green leaves looks very pretty and cool. During this rainy season, we can even propagate them from the cuttings too. Make sure you regularly spray the neem oil solution to avoid pest attack. Place them in a bright direct sunlight for at least 4 to 6 hours to have more blooming on them. During this flowering stage, add fertilizer to them at least twice a month to ensure healthy growth and more flowering on them.